at the property. Let's get... Wait a minute.
Now, before we get started walking the property, let me show you how ridiculous this location is. Let's go! Come on up. Awesome location, just like I said, right? Here's the thing, I love this spot for the location. In fact, I've been after this listing since February 2015 because I love it so much. Here's the thing, we got 37 units, 30 of them are the 2-bedroom, 1-baths, and 7 of them are 1-bedroom, 1-baths. The average in-place rent is only about $720 a month, but I've got rent comps galore for $900 to $1,000 a month. Now there's 100% occupancy leased through July of 2021. And by the way, it's been 100% leased for the last 9 years. Now the average tenant occupancy here is 5 years. And the average tenant, 90% of them has a bachelor's degree or higher. Now it's time to take a look at the interiors. And now we're on the 2nd floor patio of the garden style 2-bedroom, 1-baths. Such a cool spot. Let's take a look at the insides. Really neat, eh? So this is a living kitchen combo. You could go TV here or TV there, whichever one. I'll show you in the kitchen here. Now the flooring throughout all the units is a combination of either wood, plank, or tile. Most of the units have been upgraded in some way, and I'm going to give you that full breakdown in the summary at the end. But we've got typical kitchen cabinets and countertops. Most of them have been replaced throughout. Again, I'll give you all the numbers. White appliances. Obviously plenty of room to hang stuff for extra storage. Right here we have the mechanical closet right here. That's why the table is up against it, because the tenants don't need to get inside. Now we're going to peel around and look at the 2 bedrooms. So here is the guest bedroom, or excuse me, this is the master bedroom, excuse me. Pretty good room, right? So let me peel around here, show you the closet. Plenty of room in the closet. I'm putting my hands up against the wall and I still have, it goes all the way to right here, which is awesome. Let's take a look at the 1 bathroom. Now in this bathroom we have ceramic tile flooring, typical cabinets and countertops, plastic tubs, which are super durable, and then we got the guest bedroom right here. You can peel around and take a look. The closet, another good sized closet. Closet goes all the way to right here. All right, let's walk around this way, and I'll orient you back to the front. That's the 2-bedroom, 1-bath of the garden style units. That's all on. Now we're in the famous cottage style apartments. This is the exterior patios, tons of charm, really, really cool. These are the 1947 places that have been redone from top to bottom. They're gorgeous. Look at the greenery. Let's go inside. All right, the purple and green cottages are by far the most sought after, not just among the residents, but like just in town, these are known all over. They're really, really cool units. So these are red oak wood floors, ceramic tile in the kitchens. Come around here. Take a look at the old school countertops with the tile, cabinetry, they're all in really good shape. Fridge is popped in right here. Let me show you the size of the living room, which is pretty sweet for a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. You got everything you need, right? All right, now let's take a look at the 1-bedroom and the 1-bath inside. Plenty of room through here, right? Let's keep going, keep going. Let me show you the closet. It's gonna be kind of tough to see all the way through, but this thing goes back about 8 feet. And so what happens is, well, people will put their winter clothes in the back and whatever they're wearing towards the front, and it just goes in layers. Really cool storage for a 1-bedroom. Looking pretty good today. Let's take a look at the bathroom real quick. Very cool. You got the blue tile. This is from the era. All very well taken care of. Tile all the way up, bathtub on the side. Now let's head back over and I'll orient you. Here we are back to the living kitchen combo. Now let's go take a look at some more outside. Now we're right smack in the middle of the development. There are 3 yellow garden-style buildings. Those are the ones that house all the 2-bedroom 1-baths, or the majority of the 2-bedroom 1-baths. And those range around 600 square feet each, and all 3 yellow buildings were built in 1984. Now, there are 2 purple cottage-style buildings.
Yeah, we're rolling.
All right, Mr. Cameraman, let's see what you got. It housed all 7 of the 1-bedrooms. These are super popular. Come on, what you got? What? 45 years old. What? Because they have the red oak wood floors. Them are some guns, baby. The colonial style windows. All the 1-bedrooms are just over 500 square feet. And these are the ones that are built in 1947 that have been really nicely well done. Now we're in the courtyard of the green building section. Now there are 4 green buildings, all cottage style, super popular just like the purple ones because they have street frontage, you can enter in from the street. It's almost like you have a home with a backyard. Now these are 2-bedroom 1-baths measuring almost 700 square feet. They have the ceramic tile flooring throughout and the casement windows. People love these. Now in one of the green buildings, it houses a unit, an office, and a laundry. In the laundry, there are 4 brand new washers and 4 new dryers, nice ceramic tile throughout, new paint, very well maintained. So in the same green building as the laundry room, which is right there, is the office next door, which can actually be made into a studio. It's already set up with a closet and a bathroom, full bathroom area. And frankly, for 37 units, you don't need an on-site office. I would totally make that rentable. All right, so we're getting ready to take a look at the bed and breakfast district. The cottages are right there on the corner. And as we come around, we're starting right at the district. You will see some of the most amazing homes that are both being lived in and as bed and breakfasts. Case in point number 1, case in point number 2, and it just keeps going and going and going. Beautiful houses. Lifestyles of the rich and famous. All right, it's time for the summary. Remember, 37 units. 30 of them are the 2-bedroom 1-baths, 7 are the 1-bedroom 1-baths. Tenants pay all utilities. 2 of the 9 roofs have been replaced in the last couple of years. The rest of them were done in 2003. Here's the rest of the capital expenditures. They've replaced 33 stoves, 29 fridges, 18 kitchen cabinets, 14 air conditioning units. All the washers and dryers in the laundry room, they've been replaced. They changed all the flooring to wood, plank, or tile. They've re-blacktopped the parking lot, re-striped the parking lot. All the buildings were painted in 2016 with the most expensive Sherwin-Williams paint. It's all on 2 acres, nice value-add opportunity on the rents. And did I tell you it's an irreplaceable location? Let's go!